too many. I done did too many favors, too many. Too many, too many. Too many niggas, too many. Too many excuses, I had too many. Look at my to-do list, I got too many. Too many, too many. Too many niggas, too many. I swear my dreams keep me up at night. Cardi's on my vision, can't lie.
What's up, YouTube? Hey y'all, I'm back again with another video. So this time I'm going to show you how to color my hair company, Unique Xstendz, which is Unique Xstendz. I will leave all our information below. As you see that I'm not showing my face for this video because I'm not put together well. And you guys can see another video about what's going on with my face and the dentist, y'all. It's so swollen. It's ridiculous. But yeah, I'm going to show you how to do this. This is all the material you need, you know, your dye, like whatever dye you're going to use. I'm coloring 2 bundles in enclosure, so I have like 4 dyes. You will need, like, you know, a brush so you can be able to get every piece of hair and like a little bowl, or like, you know, you can get it beside you to put your dye in. Okay, you want to spread the hair out before you start like coloring it, instead of like coloring it while it's still like a full bundle like this. No, spread it out, and then you want to like ease the color on the, y'all don't look purple, but that's just the dye, the color of that. Okay, I don't want it all the way like to the ends, y'all, to see why. So what I'm going to do is pour some more, and you're just going to keep doing this same technique on this side, and you're going to flip the hair over and do it on the other side as well. So like you want to get in the inside of this. Yeah, I flipped it over, and now I'm going to do this side. And pour all of it. Or most of all of it. I'm trying my best not to get it all the way on the end. Because I don't want it all the way on the end. Y'all see all that I still have to get? Or you want to take piece by piece to like brush it out to make sure you get every inch of hair. Okay, so what I did was I colored it as far as I wanted to color it, and then I just wrapped it into lemon foil, and now I'm gonna let it sit for 45 minutes. Okay guys, as you see, I did this one. This one's gonna be better. I feel like this one gonna be better than the other one, because I really like, you see how I spread it out first. The other one was spread out, but it wasn't as spread out as this one is. It wasn't as scattered. So I did it like, I took my time to spread it out so that way I know I can get each and every piece of screw of hair. So as you see this band right here, right, that was purposely done, because now I'm going to show y'all why I didn't want to color all the way to the end of that hair, because I'm going to do, it's going to be like a two-tone, but it's going to be with dark blue and light blue. So basically all this is going to be dark blue, and then like up here it's going to be with light blue, because this hair, well, right here, down here where that band at, that's where the light blue going to stop there, because this hair will be cut into a bob, so it's all gonna play out right. So I'm gonna start with this light blue, because with the other one I did dark blue. So I'm gonna start. See, I put my little dots on there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So as you see, I do want to get up there because I want it to look like it's, two-tone, like dark, and it's blended into the light blue. I don't want it to look like this dark blue, then just a straight line, then it's light blue. No, I want them to blend in together. So I am going to do up there a little bit. And then all that to be dark blue. I might be talking a little funny, y'all. My mouth is swell, like I said earlier, from my tooth that's in my mouth. So, yeah. Hopefully you guys can hear me clear. I'm gonna turn it off. So you guys, I hope you guys can hear me clear and understand everything that I'm saying. If you guys need anything repeated or anything, just ask me or comment below. Okay guys, so as you see, I flipped it over. You didn't see that part, but I flipped it over. And I'm combing it so that way I make sure it's in there. Now I'm gonna do this side. Instead of putting it in my little cup, because I had to wash it out and do all that extra stuff. It's just better if you would just do it like this. Pour it from the bottle already. I would do the ends, but it's like, it's really no purpose of doing the ends because, again, it's going to be cut into a bob. So I'm just already knowing, like, these ends going to be cut. But, you know what? I think I am just going to do the ends because I got a lot of dye and I'm not going to need all this dye. Lord knows when I'm going to need blue again. So, I'm going to do it that way I can get full pictures of the hair after. Okay, guys, as you can see, oh, look at that blue, y'all. Tell me that blue is not fire. I cannot wait to see the turn out of this. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to start off, now I'm going to do the top with the dark blue. You know, it can blend in with that, you know. I can get a couple drops down there, that's cool or whatever, because it's the light blue already in there, so I ain't tripping. So, I already rinsed my brush out. I did my little job. Now I'm gonna go ahead and blend it in. I'm gonna try to get as much of the blonde as I can. See how I'm damping it? It's cause like, it's cool if I get the dark blue down there, but you know, my main focus is not to really get it down there. Now this is what I'm talking about. This is a perfect example. You see how that's just blue. What I was saying was, y'all see how that's just dark blue and then how that's just light blue. Baby, we want that blended in. So we wanna, like it's two-tone. We want it just like it's two-tone. So we're gonna hit them spots. And now it's gonna be well blended. Cannot wait to see when it's finished. Okay. Now that's enough for this side. I'm gonna flip the hair. So that's why it's a lot of, you see a lot of 613 over there. Cause I have to flip and then get the other side too. I'm gonna cut it out tomorrow. Okay, y'all. Hey guys, so I wrapped this one up and I'm gonna leave this one for 45 minutes as well. Actually, I did the other one 40 minutes and I'm gonna do this one 40 minutes too. I'm not gonna do 45. If I have to, I'll probably have to re-dye. That's fine, I can re-dye tomorrow. But as long as I get majority of the hair, it's okay. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna clean up everything. So yeah guys, can't wait to see the finished look in the install. When you find out how I'm living, I just hope I'm forgiven. It seems like you don't want this love anymore. I'm acting out in the open. Y'all, it popped right back, but I tell y'all, look at that. Y'all, this look like somebody's real hair. Like, bye, boy, tell me that don't look good though. Do I know it's weird though? Okay, y'all, this is the finished product.